Okay, now see in this question, they have given us the values. We need to calculate IZ minimum. If we'll take VS minimum or VI minimum, then we'll get the IZ minimum, right? So for now being, we can consider the input voltage they have given as 80 volt, correct? For that we need to calculate IZ minimum. So according to Kirchhoff current law, like this is IR according to MANIPAL notation, IZ and IL. Can we say that IR would be equal to IZ plus IL, right? So from that IZ would be equal to IR minus IL, right? For that we should know IL. IL is how much? VL by RL. As you can see that in this the current is flowing, so the voltage across the zener diode and voltage across this one would be same, correct? So VZ they have given 50 volts, so can we consider VL is also equal to 50 volt? Now we got the value of VL as 50 volt and we know the value of RL as 10 kilo, right? We need to calculate IR now. According to the formula, IR is how much? VI minus V naught divided by RS. यही होगा. VI is how much? 80 minus V naught is how much? 50 divided by R is how much? 5. Correct? Now substituting in this value, like that would be 30 by 5. 5 6 are 30, so that would be 6 minus VL by IL is how much? Can you tell me? VL is how much? 50 and 10. RL is how much? 10. So it would be 6 minus 5. So in this case, IZ minimum will get it as 1 ampere. Understood? Okay. Now I calculated IZ minimum by using 80 volt. Now you will calculate IZ maximum by using 120 volt and then tell me the value.